Hi boys and girls. So here we are going to review how to make a 10 to add and also how do we use place value to add. So this is stuff that we went over this week. This is the last time you'll see this, so really try your best. Remember to draw quick pictures to show me your work, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So we are following these steps right here, okay? We can't forget to follow these steps. We need to be drawing all of our pictures and also following each one of these steps. So first things first is we're going to draw a quick picture of 46 plus 5. Okay, so I'm going to 46 plus 5, so 10, 20, 30. Oh, let me go back. And let me use a black. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. And then I'm going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now it's time for me to add my ones. Okay, so I'm going to add my ones here, and when I get to a 10, I regroup the ones as 1, 10. So let me go ahead and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a different color to show that I'm going to regroup these 10s. Then step number 3 is swap for a 10. So that means that I need to swap this to this side. So I'm going to swap this 10 and make it an actual 10. Then I need to go to step number 4, which is redraw. So I need to redraw all these other 10s and this extra 1 here. So I can't forget that. So here I am going to redraw. So I have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, and 1 extra 1. Now I am going back to step 5, which is add your 10s and 1s, and then number 6, which is write the sum. So I'm going to add this side, starting with the 10 that I made, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51. So my sum is 51, which is 5 10s and 1 1. 5 10s and 1 1, okay? Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get to the next one. Alrighty, so here I am again. I'm going to now read my problem, 37 plus 9. So first things first is I draw my quick picture of 37 plus 9. So I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, plus 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, now it's going to be my job to add my ones, regroup ones as 1 10 if I get to a 10. So I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I stop. I grab a different color. I group my 10s here. And then I'm back to step 3, which is swap for a 10. So I'm going to grab here, draw my arrow, and swap it for a 10. Now I'm on step 4, which is redraw. So I'm going to redraw, but the black one. So I have 1 10 I have to redraw, 2 10s, 3 10s, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones I need to redraw. 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now I'm on step 5, which is add 10s and 1s, and I'm going to also write my sum. So I'm going to add these together, starting with the 10 that I swapped for, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So my sum is 46. 4 10s and 6 1s. Okay, so making sure we're showing all of our steps. All right, so now this is what we worked on this week. Okay, so this week we're now using what's called place value to add, which is just organizing our quick pictures. And we're adding top to bottom. So here I go. My problem is 54 plus 25. So first I'm going to draw 54 on the top. Quick picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54. Then I'm going to draw 25 on the bottom. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. I'm going to add my ones together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 ones. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. Now I have to think, okay, what is the value of 7 tens? 7 tens, if I go back and count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, I have 70 plus, my 9 ones stays there, so I have 70 plus 9, which my sum would be 79, and I would write my sum here, 79, okay? Let me go to the next one. We have 53 plus 32. So I'm going to first draw 53 at the top. So at 53 I know is 5 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. And then I have 32, which is 3 tens and 2 ones. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. I'm going to look at my ones here and I'm going to add those. 3 plus 2 I know is 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now my tens, I have 5 plus 3 more, which is 8 tens. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I got to think of the value of 8 tenths. The value of 8 tenths is going to be 80. If I count by 10, it's not going to be 8 plus 5 because that wouldn't give us the correct sum. Then my 5's one stays the same. What's 80 plus 5? 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So my sum here is 85. Okay, on your worksheet, well not worksheet, but your assignment here on Seesaw, you are also going to have to complete a math fact practice, okay? So making sure you're completing all 4 slides as well as the math fact practice. The way you turn it in, you submit and hit the check, okay? If you have any questions, remember we're making sure we're going through all of our steps and we're making a 10. And we are showing our quick pictures when we're using place value to add and filling in all of the add-ins and sums. All right. Great job, boys and girls. Have a great Friday.